Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today of two kits from Dotz. This one's a beginner one, Love Rainbow, and then an intermediate one, Flutter by Gold. And they're very simple, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing of these two videos, so stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get started. So we'll start with the smallest one first, and it is Rainbow Love. So we'll open it up. If you've never done diamond painting before, this will show you guys what comes in a kit. So this is probably a good one to start with if you've never diamond painted before. So in your box, you get two little bags in it. One bag is a rolled up of your canvas. The other one has your toolkit and your drills in it. So let's look at the canvas first. So this one is a beginner kit, so this would be good to start with, or good for your kids to start with. And it's just a whole bunch of hearts. And I didn't realize the canvas was glittery, but the canvas is glittery. Okay, so I'm going to roll it the other way to get it a little more flatter. If I was going to work on it here soon, I would lay it out and put a book on it, kind of press it. But to show you guys this cute little one, it's just a bunch of hearts. And let me show you how clear the symbols are, okay? So, never have had a problem with Diamond Dotz symbols. They're all very clear. This one is a very, very small design, but it has 38 colors in it. And I actually think this is probably the most Diamond Dotz colors I've ever done in a kit for them. And it's just a simple small one because, like, as you can see here, it goes from like a light blue to a dark blue. So this is a really small kit. If you're watching it now, and you can order this before December 6th on diamonddots.us.com, this was only $5. It was like $4.80, okay? And you get 38 colors in it, okay? So over here is your key chart, and over here is your key chart. Usually it's in two corners, the lower and upper. But with it being all the colors, I guess they decided to do it on both sides. And, I mean, just look at the colors and how clear they are, okay? Then here comes your drills. So, in your drills, now these do look like some newer packaging. They're usually connected together like this. This is how they usually come, connected all together. But it looks like some of them are apart, so that's a first, maybe because it's so many colors. But it's actually kind of neat, so I can show you guys, like, the drills. So, these are the Diamond Dot drills. See if I can get it to focus. And you can see the shape of them and how they are shaped. I think it's 13 facets, and they're shaped like a diamond on top. So they're not domed, they're shaped like a diamond on top. I don't think, nope, here we go. There is actually AB drills. It looks like there might be just yellow AB drills in this kit. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So, there's only yellow AB drills, and your AB drills is the ones that have the extra sparkle, the Aurora Borealis color. So they have that extra little sparkle. But look at those and how gorgeous they are. On the bag, it tells you your A33 and your diamond code. Now, this diamond code is the Diamond Dotz code. If you want the DMC code, there is a conversion chart for those. But, yeah. So you also get your toolkit, which comes with your wax, your tray, and your one-placer diamond toolkit. So let's just put all this back. But yeah, isn't that a small little canvas to have 38 colors? And like I said, this kit right now of 2020, December 3rd, 2020, if you go to the website link that I'll link to the video, you can get this kit right here for $4.80. That is an awesome deal. I think this kit usually runs about $17 at Michael's or something like that. But this is like 70% off or something. I don't know. But it's $5. So just for something small, like if you're going on vacation or whatever, and you want to take a little diamond painting, but you don't want to take a big one, this is an awesome snack size. Of course, they give you your instructions, but I don't ever look at those because I don't need those. But if you're new to diamond painting, feel free to read up on that. It tells you how to, you know, dot your wax and all that. It's good to have, but I don't need it. So, all right. Let me see if I can put this away really quick, and then I'll get the next one out. I just put it in there. All right, so I have done 4 of these already. I've done the rainbow one. I think it's like Flutter by Pink, Flutter by Green. I don't know. I've done a green one, a colorful one. I don't know. This might be my 4th one. I know I have 3. I have pink, green. Well, it's rainbow, green, and another one. I can't remember the other one. But this is another one. So this is actually like a collection. You can buy a whole bunch of different colored ones. Again, this is an intermediate one. So on the box, I forgot to show you guys, if it's an actual Diamond Dotz one, not like a Leisure Art one powered by Diamond Dotz, but an actual Diamond Dotz kit one, you have 2 different designs on the box. This is your design area, if it will actually kind of focus. There it goes. Your design area. So this is everything that's there on your canvas that has design. And then on the other side, it has your diamond area. So this one, it also tells you the number of colors, 18, and then how many dots are on there, which is 4,586. Going back to the other kit, like I said, it has 38 colors, and it has 3,410, okay? So that's, if you keep like a diamond journal, diamond painting journal, and all that, that's good information to have. So this is one I have, but like I was saying, it has different colors. There's a red one, there's a blue one, like the blue background one. There's a whole bunch of different ones. There's like a white one, but this one is Flutter by Gold because it has the gold colors, and it's just this very pretty butterfly. It is a 12 by 12, so a very easy framed one that you can frame in a scrapbook frame, a 12 by 12 frame. Let's see if it'll focus. Try to show you guys the clarity of the symbols. So let me kind of roll it a little bit so I can get it closer to the camera without hitting it. Well, I don't know why that's not working. Alright, here we go. So, get it to focus in on the drills. There it goes. So look how clear those are, okay? You can see your F's are your F's, your blacks are your blacks, your H's, your S's, all that, or that's 5s or 2s. Those are 2s. I'm reading it upside down, sideways actually. Your 2s are 2s, your lines are lines. So you can see all that in there, okay? So again, you have your diamonds in here. Again, I think this kit was only $5, like $4.80. So again, if you can purchase it before December 6th, you can get this kit for $5. Okay, so again, you get your toolkit, and they always change out this color. So you get different little colors, and they always give you your pink wax in their little container. And I use this container sometimes. When I use up the pink wax, I use it for a trash tray. And then this is how your drills usually come. Like I was saying, all in a lined up nice little package in number order, just like this. This one does have AB drills, and it has 2. It has the yellow 5005, and then if you'll focus in on that. There it goes. 5005 are those, and then you have your blue ones, which are really pretty, which are 5002. It's like your light blue snowflake looking blue, if it will focus. Maybe if I stop moving, there it goes. And again, it's the AB drills, Aurora Borealis drills, and stuff like that. And as you can see, the drill quality is really nice. Okay, it's those nice shape ones. I really love how the Diamond Dot ones shape their drills. Oh look, you also get another AB drill. So you get the white ones, the 5001 drills, which are white. But I really love how they sparkle in the light. I really do love the Diamond Dotz drills. I do purchase other companies' drills, but for my sake, as a customer, I love Diamond Dotz Sparkle. They sparkle very prettily. It's probably not a word, but they are awesome. So if you enjoyed these two kits, again, $5 for a little nice snack size, won't take you long pitcher. And it is poured glue. Diamond Dotz uses poured glue, nice and sticky. Very clear quality on their canvas. You can see the nice color in the printing on there. Their symbols on the side are nicely clear symbols. You can tell the colors and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and please leave comments. I love hearing from you guys and what you think. But again, I'll link that website to the video so you guys can check out these that were only $4.80. So I really think this one was $4.82. So hope you guys have a good night and talk to you later.